Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your account meta verified on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. And once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to verify your account with Meta, then tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and you will see the Meta verified option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to verify your account. Tap on the unlock benefits option and then from your Facebook account tap on the sign up button. You will now be required to pay the fees for your verification. Tap on the continue button and proceed forward with your payment method. If you have not added a payment method yet to your account, you can tap on the add credit or debit card option and proceed forward by entering your credentials. After you enter your payment information and proceed forward with verifying your payment, you will need to wait until your payment has been verified. And once it is done, your account will be verified with Meta and you will be able to see the Meta verified badge within your profile as well, which means that your account has now been verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get your account Meta verified on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.